Om everyone, good morning. Welcome to our International Yoga Day. As we know, June 21st we celebrate International Yoga Day. Swamiji says Yoga Day is every day, but this is June 21st is a special day where the whole world celebrate the Yoga Day. So today I am giving a yoga session on pranayam and some micro exercises, which is very important for everyone. As you know, yoga is the only way we can cure all our problems, health, anxiety, depression, everything what we are going through. Since past 1.5 years, we are going through the deadly virus. So how to keep ourselves healthy, and this is the way it's going to be. So today we're going to practice some pranayam session, which is a breathing exercises. And I don't need to tell about much. You know, when the virus comes, very attacks on your lungs. So this breathing exercise will help you to keep yourself healthy and strong and beat this virus. So without delaying, we're going to start. Everyone can sit in their Gyan Mudra, first finger and thumb touching together. Mudras plays very big role. So we're going to close our eyes. Before we start, we always give couple of minutes to yourself to gathering yourself with your body, mind and your breath. And we will chant Om, and then we will be doing about 7 different breathing exercises today. And this will be demo, but I will be giving you timing how much you should practice daily for everyone. So just sit comfortably. I'm sitting on the floor. If you cannot sit on the floor, please you can sit on the chair, because the breathing exercise can be done sitting on the floor, on the chair, or people who are very ill, who cannot sit, they can simply lie on their bed and practice this. So there are a lot of flexibility. You don't have to be sitting in any pose, just simply spine straight and practice. So close your eyes. We're going to take a deep breath in and we'll chant Om 3 times. Chanting Om. After that, we will do our first pranayam. It called Bhastrika pranayam, deep breathing in and out, just inhaling and exhaling, inhaling and exhaling. This breathing exercise we should practice from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Children should practice 5 minutes. Adults must practice 5 to 10 minutes. It's very important. Diaphragm breathing, no abdominal breathing, nostril breathing. So just inhaling and exhaling. So 2.5 seconds to inhale and 2.5 seconds to exhale. This breathing exercise everyone can do. If you have any heart problems, if you have a high blood pressure, then you must do slowly, but other than everyone should be in the medium speed. So you keep practicing. This pranayam I have to give you some precautions, some benefits. So this pranayam, as I mentioned, everyone can practice. This pranayam will help you to, especially today in this crazy world, people are stressed, anxiety, depression, suffering from that. I know the children are suffering, the adults are going through this crisis. So this breathing exercise will help you to calm your mind, relax your body, and just regenerate your energy in your mind and your body and your breath. So just breathing in and breathing out, breathing in and breathe out. So this is our first pranayam, Bhastrika pranayam. In between we do some micro exercises, because if you cannot sit for long time folded leg, we do some micro exercises. So I'm just going to demo you for at least one minute each exercises. And so first, open your legs in the front, taking fingers and toe bending. This is very good exercises for everyone. Then ankle, then circling, rotating your ankles clockwise, anti-clockwise. Then you're tapping. This is very good for your calf muscle, because people have a lot of issues for stomach. So this is very good. You can do faster or slow. Then we do butterfly. Again, the butterfly is very good exercise for everyone. Children love this exercise. So in the evening with your family, sitting, let the children sit on the floor, you sit with the floor and do this butterfly exercise with them, because they love having a fun while they are watching TV. So this is little micro exercises between. Now we're going to do Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati, we're going to change the mudra. So each pranayam when we do, we change the mudras. So now we're going to go into Apan Mudra, which first we sit in the Gyan. Now we are in Apan Mudra, which is remove the toxins from your body. Each mudras can be played 5 minutes. So this two touching together, hands on the knee, and again Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is little different and little harder for beginners, but don't worry, if you keep watching and keep doing, you will be able to get it. This is one stroke in 1 second. Beginners, you can keep your hand on your tummy like this, other hand under your nostril, and when you exhale, tummy goes in and you will feel the air on your palm, back of your hand. So this is the right way to do. So now we are doing Kapalbhati, exhaling out, two middle finger touching together in Apan Mudra, sitting and exhaling. So this pranayam everyone can do, because we have to tell the precautions and the benefit. So first thing, how to do it, I mentioned keeping your right hand on your tummy, beginners, left hand underneath your nostrils and exhaling. This is a self-checking yourself, because when we had the personal classes, then we, as our yoga teacher, make sure we check. But since we are doing it on the online classes, so this is the way for yourself to check. Exhaling out, 1 second, 1 stroke. This pranayam must be done empty stomach. So example, you should do it in the morning. If you are doing in the evening, then you must keep after 4 hours of your lunch, the gap. This pranayam everyone can do, except pregnant ladies should not do this pranayam. If anybody has abdominal surgery, they should not do this pranayam. If you had an open heart surgery, you should not do this pranayam for 6 months. If you had a baby C-section, you have to wait for 6 months. Other than, everyone can do this pranayam. Children must do from 5 to 10 minutes. Adult must do from 15 to 30 minutes. Because these days Swamiji is saying we have to increase the timing. So we recommend now 15 minutes to 30 minutes of Kapalbhati doing it. So simple, exhaling out. And when you are doing, the sound should be very clear. You can hear my exhaling out means my lungs are clear. There is no congestion, there is no allergy, no congestion. So it should be very clear sound. If you sing any Stuffy means you have some congestion, some allergies, so your lung should be clear. And believe me, once you do this pranayam, it will help. This pranayam gives you, remove the toxins from your body, reduce excess fat from your body. And Swamiji compares our body as a computer, hardware and software. So we are now doing with pranayam software exercises. So all organs are getting exercise. So this is the way, it's our Kapalbhati. Now we're going to practice our third pranayam. It's called Ujjayi pranayam. Again, Ujjayi pranayam is little harder. So please don't get discouraged. Practice makes perfect. So we kind of squeeze our throat in and we're going to inhale. So I'm going to practice about 3 times, but you must practice 5, 7, 11 times. And this helps for your thyroid gland, sleep apnea, tonsils, allergies, vocal problem. You get benefit from doing this. So I'm going to practice now. So you breathe in, hold the breath in, chin down to your chest, holding here for 10 seconds. Chin up and close your right nostril and exhale out. Again. So this was our Ujjayi pranayam. Now we're going to do some hand micro exercises. Both hand out, breathe in and breathe out. First, this is excellent exercise for everyone. These days everyone is using almost 8 to 10 hours computers and using all day their fingers and hands. So these are very good exercise. These micro exercises, thumb goes in and make a circle. These are the wrist exercise. Again 5 to 10 times clockwise, anti-clockwise. This can be done anytime, especially everyone these days working from home. So whenever you are taking break, you can do this micro exercise. You can sit on your chair and do. Now shoulder exercises, just rotating your shoulders clockwise, anti-clockwise. Make sure we are deep breathing in and out. Lot of time when we do exercise, we kind of hold the breath, but make sure you are breathing. Hands up in the air, interlock your hand, pull up and pull back. Again 5 to 10 times each exercise. Interlock your hand behind the head, breathe in. Interlock your forehead. Both hand on your knees, shoulder exercise, lifting your shoulder up and down. We carry a lot of stress on our shoulder these days. You all the time tense. So these are relaxing your shoulder. Breathe in and breathe out, forward. Now we're going to practice Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. This is our 4th breathing exercise. Again, Anulom Vilom is excellent pranayam. Everyone should do it. And this pranayam you can do after your 2 hours of your breakfast, lunch and dinner. You don't need to wait for 4 hours for this. You can do anytime. So we're going to start. Always you start from your right hand. The other hand we can choose some different mudras. So Vayu mudra, it helps for if anybody has aches and pain. Vayu Apan mudra helps for people suffer from high blood pressure. Then energy mudra is like little finger, ring finger touching together, and this is your energy mudra. When people have a low energy, they can sit on this mudra. Surya mudra, it helps. Prithvi mudra for your people who wants to lose weight. When they are sitting in Kapalbhati, they can sit and do this mudra. And Shunya mudra, middle finger, is for people who have any problem in their ear. So these are different mudras you can use. We're going to sit in a Vayu mudra. So Vayu mudra can be used both hand and the 2 middle finger and thumb. These are your clips to do your Anulom Vilom. So we're going to take our right hand. We're going to close the right nostril. We're going to breathe in from the left and breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right and breathe out from the left. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. In Anulom Vilom, if you have any shoulder problem, please don't keep your hand here. Just keep it nicely down and keep your palm open, back and forth like this. So keep practicing Anulom Vilom. I will give you some benefit and precaution. Again, Anulom Vilom, everyone can practice. This pranayam will help you to relax, calms your minds down, help a lot of issues, mental issues, any health problem, helps to stress, anxiety, depression, sleep apnea, snoring, and people can't sleep in the night. People are all these days are having a lot of mental issues. So this is the best pranayam for you, and you can sit in your office and do it. In your home you do it. If you cannot sit, you can do lie down and do it. So children should do at least 5 to 10 minutes because they are home and they need energy, and so this is a very good, will help them for their mental peace. And the adults 15 to 30 minutes. And this pranayama, as mentioned, after your 2 hours of your breakfast, 2 hours of lunch, or before dinner, after dinner. If you have a difficulty sleeping, you can do it in the bed, lying down and doing it. And this will help for high blood pressure, heart problem, any blockage, so any issues, and top of that it helps our lungs stronger. So just practicing Anulom Vilom. So this was our 4th pranayam. Now we're going to do 3 pranayams together, Bhramri, Udgit and Pranav pranayam. They all go together. Bhramri pranayam, it helps you to calm your mind down, helps to relax and regenerate your energy in your mind, and plus people who have a difficulty, it helps, and of course people have a stress, it helps for that. Then chanting Om is just again energizing our body, mind and spirit and connecting to the God, whoever we believe in. And Pranav pranayam is silent breathing, just listening to your breath. So let's start with that, and each pranayam we will do 5 times. So first finger goes over your eyebrows, 3 fingers on your eyes, ears are plugged with a thumb. We have a little lid, you just push that, and this called like a bumblebee humming sound. We'll do 5 times. Now keep your eyes closed, hand down on your knee in a Gyan Mudra. We will chant Om 3 times, 5 times. The last pranayam is Pranav Pranayam, silent breathing. This you can sit 2 minutes to 5 minutes to 10 minutes. You are getting into your meditation, relaxation, Yog Nidra, Savasana, whatever you like to call it, silent breathing. Now you can raise your hand over your head, rub together. Put this energy on your face. And gently you can open your eyes. And so this is our, it was our pranayam session, which everyone can practice daily. Very beneficial from this, and again I mentioned beginning, if you have a time, do it in the morning. If you don't have time, please do it in the evening, and practice daily. It's we going to end our session today with our yoga session, and I thank each and everyone joining today with us for the International Yoga Day. Please make this Yoga Day for in your life every day, because Swamiji says we should daily, we are born every single day, so your birthday should be celebrated every day, Yoga Day should be celebrated every day, and we should celebrate our life every single day. It's most important thing to do. So I thank each and everyone coming and joining with us. So happy International Yoga Day. ओम स्वामी जी बोलते हैं करो योग रहो निरोग. So please do practice yoga. Thank you. God bless you all. Om.